Okay. Ayan. Hold on. So in this video class, I will be discussing about Pythagorean theorem, the basic proportionality theorem, which is the theorem 57, and also the um, angle bisector theorem. So let's start with the Pythagorean theorem class. Okay. When we say Pythagorean theorem, we always reminded with this formula, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? Yes. So this a and b and c are the sides of a right triangle. Pythagorean theorem is only applied sa right triangle, no? Not on other kinds of a triangle. Only sa isang right triangle. So, ano ba yung meaning ng isang ng right triangle? Um, we say that a triangle is right if one angle measures 90 degrees. Okay, now let's go with this formula. A and B can either any of these legs, no? Pwede ito maging A, pwede ito maging B. Or this can be, wait, this can be B or this can be A. Either way, they are still the same as legs, no? Pero the hypotenuse C will always be in front or in the opposite side of the 90-degree angle. So if this is the 90-degree angles, the opposite side will be the hypotenuse. You can also observe that for these three sides, C has the longest side or length. So with this, we can say that if we are going to square according to the Pythagorean theorem, if we are going to square those sides, and then we get the A squared, and then we get the B squared, and then when we add them, the result must be equal to the C squared. Now, again, i-add natin itong dalawang legs in squared, then the result or the answer will be the hypotenuse in squared. By the way, this is the hypotenuse. This is the leg. We can say leg 1 or leg 2 kasi B siya. Ayan, this is leg 1. So, let's use given values right now para mag-guess. Wait. Ayan. Let's say in this right triangle, our C is this, our A is this, our B is this. Let's say that the values we have is B is 3, A is 4, C is what? Oh, see, you can now use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where our a is 4 to the square plus 3 to the square, and c is the same, right? So c pa rin siya. So what is 4 to the second power? That is 16. What is 3 to the second power? That is 9, or 3 times 3. That is 9 equals a squared. 16 plus 9, that is 25. C squared. To eliminate this, we have to square root both sides. Therefore, C is 5. So our C is 5. Yes? Okay, now let's use another example. Let's say, mm, let's say our C is 13. Okay, let's say our C is 13. Our A is 12. Then what is B? Ayan. The missing side now is B. What is B? So with the use of the Pythagorean theorem, we know that A is 12. Hold on. 12. So square lang natin yan. Plus, since missing ang B, we use B square. And then C is 13 square. Ayan. 12 times 12, that is 144 plus b squared equals, what is 13 squared? 13 squared is, wait lang, 169. And transpose natin yan on the other side para allow na lang si b squared. No? 169 minus 144. 144, that will get us b squared is 25. Square natin yan para cancel na itong square. Square root pala, no? Not square. O, square root natin both sides para mag-cancel ng square. So, remains na lang si bay. And the square root of 25 is 5. Voila, that's it. Now, therefore, our b is 5. So, let's use another example, class. Okay. Let's say our um oh, let's make it a little bigger. Ayan, 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 ayan. Ayan. Let's say our A is 8, our B is 15. What is C? Use your answer sheet and you try kung ano yung C. So to give you the answer must be 17. Okay? Pero figure out paano naging 17 ang C. So that's it for the Pythagorean theorem. Now let's head on to Theorem 57. This is about basic proportionality theorem, I guess. So we are going to use this problems 36 and 37. So according to the theorem 57, ang sabi is if we have a line, etong line na to dito, diba? Originally, isang big triangle lang yun. Pero when we had a line here that is parallel sa side ng isang triangle, nagkakaroon tayo ng division of the sides. Now, for example, etong side na to originally as 1, pero since we have this line segment here, naging dalawa na siya, no? Here and here. Right? So, as ito, dito, naging ganito din. Pero they are not congruent, no? They are just proportional. So, for example, class, no, I will be labeling this triangle. Etong vertex na to is A, ito ay B, ito ay C, ito ay D, ito ay E. Ang sabi sa Theorem 57, the sides AB is ratio to side BC. Okay? And is proportional to DE, side DE. Ito yun. Ratio siya into side DC. Ayan. So, as we always do, AB over BC, transform lang siya into fraction form, and DE over DC. We know that AB is, what is AB, class? AB is just 12, right? Over, what is BC? BC is X. What is DE? DE is 18. What is DC? DC is 2X minus 4. Let's recheck nga kung tama. Okay. Now, with the use of the laws of proportions, we cross multiply it, right? So, unahin natin to. Ayun, para madali. 12 times 2x minus 4. We have 12 times 2x minus 4 equals 18x. Ito naman yun, 18x. So, then distribute 12 for every term. So, we have 12 times 2 class. That is 24, right? 24x. 12 times 4, that is 48, I guess. Yes, correct. And then 18x. Now, let's transpose this 24x over here by combining like terms. So we have here left negative 48 and 18x minus 24x. So how many, anong difference nito? That is 6, negative 6x. Mm. So divide both sides by -6 para matanggal na dyan yung -6. So how many? Ilan kaya merong 6 sa 48? That is 8 na. Okay? So we got it. Ayan. How about here? Can you do this? Now find the answer by practicing. I'll give you the value of x na dito. So the x should be 6. Pero paano naging 6 yan? So do the calculation or show the solution class. Ayun. Let's go with the next one. We have this. Now, ito naman, pag ganitong may angle bisector, ito ay galing sa theorem for angle bisector din, which is Theorem 61. Theorem 61. So ano bang distinction nila? Again, may angle bisector yan. It divides the segment into two congruent parts. Dito naman, parallel to. No, parallel. Let's go. Here's the Theorem 61. Ha? Nanoy ko eh. Dito sa pilot. Kwan lang whiteboard lang. Okay, let's go. Here, we have this idea about Theorem 61 where this two divided segments, itong segment na earlier, isang single segment, pero because of the angle bisector, naging dalawa siya. Okay? So, ang proportion daw dito is this two divided segments is proportional to these two remaining sides. Ito and ito. So, pag label ko yung class, like, this is vertex A, this is vertex B, vertex C, vertex E. Ang magiging proportion nito is, first is ito, right? We have BC. Proportion daw siya sa dito, CD. CD. I mean, ratio daw siya sa CD. Okay, how about here? Ayan. Itong dalawang ratio na to ay proportional sa dalawang remaining side kanina, no? Or to the segment AB is to AD. Ayan. So as you can see, our BC is, what is our BC? X minus 1. Ratio daw siya sa CD. Our CD is 14 equals, what is AB? That is X plus 6. AD naman is 21. So with the law of proportion, we have 21 times x minus 1. And then, ito yun, galing dito. And then 14 times x plus 6. Correct? Yes, correct. Now we have 21x minus 21 times -1, that is 21. And then we have 14x plus 14 times 6, that is 84. Combine like terms tayo, 21x, 14 here, ilagay natin yan. So magiging negative 14x. Right? Yes. And then this negative 21 becomes positive now once we transpose it onto other side. So 21 plus 84. Ayan. Now, what's next? 21 minus 14 lang pala. That is 7x. How about this one? 21 plus 84. That is 105. Now, to eliminate 7 alongside with x, we divide both sides by 7. So x becomes 15. Boom. That's it. So we got x as 15. That's it, class. Now your turn naman for this. Now I'll show you the correct answer, pero the calculation should be yours now. X is 17. No, 17. Yeah, 17 down accordingly. Okay, I guess we should stop here and then practice these two problem. This 45 and the other item over there is here 37 and 45. Ayan, bye-bye.